Dress to impress. The meaning behind wear formal attire. Hello, everyone. Today, we're diving into a phrase you might encounter on invitations, in workplace guidelines, or during special occasions. Wear formal attire. Understanding what this means can help you navigate social and professional settings with confidence. So, let's decode this dress code together and ensure you're always dressed to impress. When you're asked to wear formal attire, it's an invitation to present yourself in a polished and professional manner. This dress code is a step above business casual and leans towards more traditional and elegant clothing choices. For men, this typically means a suit and tie, and for women, a formal dress or a business-style suit. The key here is sophistication and elegance. For men, suit, a matching jacket and trousers in dark colors like black, navy, or charcoal. Shirt, a crisp, button-down shirt, usually in a neutral color. Tie, a tie that complements the suit and shirt. Shoes, polished dress shoes, such as Oxfords or loafers. For women, dress, a formal dress that is knee-length or longer, or a sophisticated cocktail dress. Suit, a tailored suit can also be appropriate, including a blazer and trousers or a skirt. Shoes, closed-toe heels or elegant flats. Accessories, keep it simple with tasteful jewelry and a clutch or small handbag. Formal attire is often requested for events where a sense of ceremony or importance is emphasized. This includes weddings, galas, formal dinners, award ceremonies, certain workplace events. Understanding the event's context can help guide your outfit choice to ensure you're appropriately dressed. 1. Fit is key. Ensure your clothes fit well. An ill-fitting suit or dress can detract from the formal look. 2. Stay classic. Opt for classic styles over trendy ones to maintain a timeless elegance. 3. Mind the details. Pay attention to grooming, such as polished shoes, neat hair, and minimalistic accessories. 4. When in doubt, overdress. It's better to be slightly overdressed than underdressed in formal settings. Wear formal attire doesn't have to be a phrase that causes confusion or anxiety. With the right understanding and preparation, you can embrace these occasions as opportunities to showcase your style and professionalism. Remember, dressing well is not just about following rules. It's about feeling confident and comfortable in how you present yourself. We hope this video helps you do just that. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.